Does your brain recharge 90 minutes after sundown? You might be surprised how your brain's activity shifts as the sun sets, revealing a hidden cycle that affects your alertness and energy. Your brain operates on a circadian rhythm, synchronized with the day-night cycle. Around 90 minutes after sundown, your brain's electrical and hormonal activity begins shifting to prepare for rest. This adjustment affects your alertness, memory, and mood. Instead of a simple recharge, it's more like your brain gradually downshifting, reducing energy consumption while enhancing processes like memory consolidation during early rest phases. About 90 minutes after sundown, your brain starts producing melatonin, the hormone that promotes sleep. Melatonin doesn't recharge your brain like charging a battery. Instead, it signals your body and mind to wind down. This hormone helps reduce brain activity related to stress and alertness, making you feel calmer and more ready to rest, which in turn supports brain recovery overnight. While your brain starts shifting after sundown, the real recharge happens during deep sleep stages. During slow-wave sleep, your brain clears toxic waste, repairs cells, and consolidates memories. This recovery is vital for maintaining focus and cognitive function. The 90-minute mark after sundown is more a preparation phase rather than the recharge itself, setting the stage for restorative sleep. So does your brain recharge 90 minutes after sundown? Not exactly. This time marks the start of a crucial transition where your brain begins winding down, signaling rest and recovery. The true recharge happens during sleep itself. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and unlock more surprising science every day.